Hey guys, I'm here in Covington, Georgia with my new homeowner, Crystal. Her husband is not here today, but he said we can go on and do the video and let you guys know how the experience was. So we just want to come to you because Crystal let us in her beautiful home, and we're just going to share with you a home buyer's perspective on hiring her own realtor in a new construction community. And like I stated, Crystal was gracious enough to invite us out to come and just video her testimony and take a couple, tours around her over 4,700 square foot home, the Edward plan, beautiful home. So Crystal, just let us know, let the audience know, would you, if you was to build again, would you hire your own realtor?
Absolutely. I think that it's very important to have a realtor. I actually started this process alone. It was frustrating, overwhelming to say the least, but I thought of my girl Dion. I was like, wow, I forgot I had a realtor friend. So I called her up. She hopped right on it. The experience was awesome. I had little to no hurdles. She made sure everybody was on their game and getting me into this house. We made it happen. We closed on time. I promise you, having a realtor is the best thing you can do.
Oh wow.
The best thing you can do.
Because now you're hearing it from a buyer's perspective. You always hear it from me when I tell you to hire your full-time realtor. Even if it's not me, hire you a full-time realtor that can take care and advocate for you. So here you are with the home buyer. She just closed on her home. What was the date?
June 6th.
So you've been here since June the 6th.
Yeah.
And again, Crystal stated if she had to do it all over again, she would hire her own representation.
Absolutely.
Because it's built in the price of the home, guys. You have to realize the builder pays for your representation. How cool is that? So if you don't use it, you lose it, and you lose a lot of benefits. Because this process, you need somebody to help you navigate the process. It's a beautiful process, but you need your team. You need your own realtor, you need your loan officer, and then sometimes you might be on a second loan officer in the process. Things happen, but your realtor can help you navigate through that process. So Crystal, is it anything else you want to share with the audience that you can think of?
Well, I think moving into the new community it was awesome for me because I have been a homeowner before, but I purchased a home that was already built, which is okay, and there's nothing wrong with that. But having the experience of watching my home built from the ground up was just amazing. I know the builders were tired of me because I was here every other day, but I got to know them. I got to know what they were doing to my home. I got to make my home because I chose everything that's in it.
And
so it's mine, my ideas, and it just makes a difference. So if you are looking for a realtor, this is your girl. This is your girl. She's going to make it happen for you. She's not going to send you to voicemail. And even if it does go to voicemail, she's going to call you back. So I promise you, it makes a difference in having a realtor, and Dion will definitely get the job done for you.
Oh, Chris, I appreciate that. And I do. I really appreciate that because, hey, it's nothing like hearing it from a person who just went through the process. It's real. It's time to make your dream your reality. Call me now, Lowe, 770-885-3790. Call me now. Even though I'm over at Crystal House, give me a call, 770-885-3790. And Crystal, take us on a tour. We're going to share a few pictures and stuff with you guys.
So, we have the his and her sink here. The shower that I love dearly because it's standoffish. And again, I don't have to share it with my husband. So again, this was my idea, my plan. I got to put what I wanted to put in this house, so it made me love it even more.
And let the audience know where the placement of your closets. His and her closet.
Okay. We have a closet on each side. This is my husband's and this is mine.
Perfect. So
But they're
make
both
it snap.
mine.
That's right. Hers and hers.
Hers and hers closet.
Well, I'm not gonna tell them.
So here we go, and this is the spacious room, as you can see.
Beautiful. Spacious. Beautiful. And Crystal, we just really thank you and appreciate you letting us in your beautiful home and letting the audience know the importance of hiring your own realtor.
Absolutely.
So again,
And
until
it
next
takes time to get it all together, but hey, it's coming along.
That's right. Beautiful. All
Thank
right,
you,
until
guys.
next time. See you guys.